Hey everybody, and welcome back to Farm Girl in Progress. I am Nadine. Today I am outside with my husband and we are working on the bunny hutch again. Hopefully to maybe finish it, but there might be another day's worth of work on it. We're going to be working on the roof, the walls, maybe some doors, and kind of go from there. We'll just see where it goes today. Mr. Brownie's outside enjoying some fresh air with us also. Hi buddy. You're a little cutie, aren't you? Yeah. Alrighty, let's get to work, guys. Alrighty guys, this is what we got done so far. We have the roof on. We have the wire on the side and on the front. We have the front completely walled in, real nice. And then we have the inside wall done. Now we're going to work on this wall on this side. And then the back is just going to be one big door, so it'll just fold down, and then I can easily clean this side because this will have like litter in it, and then this side will have food and water, so it'll just be super easy to put on and then manage the inside of the hutch. No, I said just hold her.
I want to hold her. What about in the cage? Mom, what about in the cage?
Alrighty guys, so this is Butterscotch, or Spaz as we call her. And she is an epileptic chicken.
I want to hold her.
She has seizures when there's light at night, so flashlights will set her off, and if she gets too hot, she'll have a seizure also. So when she has seizures, we just hold her until she gets her sense back, and then we just let her go on her way, and she's usually fine after that. But
I can't put her in the cage.
no, you can take her back to the coop.
Okay.
And we haven't found a reason why she has seizures. She's healthy in every other respect. She eats, she drinks, she sleeps, she runs, she flies. It's just something that she has, and we're dealing with it as best we can. Alrighty guys, here she be. So we ended up going with 2 doors instead of one big one because the wood we had was smaller and would only do 2 doors, which is fine. So we just need to get the hardware, so a couple hinges and some latches. But otherwise, it's all done. Bunny Hutch is ready. Go, little buddy. What do you think, Brownie?
Okay, will you go get a cup and bring some food out for him?
Sure.
It's in the house.
Like a little, like a mason jar.
Yeah, that's fine.
So he's got a little bed area over here. There you go, buddy. Alrighty guys, so that wraps up our Bunny Hutch build. Brownie is settling in nicely. We're gonna leave him in the garage for the night. And then we'll move him outside tomorrow. I'm super happy with how this turned out. If you guys have any questions about how we built this, please leave them in the comments below and I will answer them as best I can. Yeah, I'm gonna go eat some dinner and get ready for bed. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and remember to grow where you're planted.